Hello everyone. In this video, we will see about vision system for robots. So vision system for robots is like giving them eyes to see and understand their environment. These systems use cameras and computer software to capture, process and interpret visual information. By analyzing what they see, robots can make decisions, navigate, recognize objects and even perform tasks with precision. It's a bit like how our eyes help us understand and interact with the world. Okay, so you could see in this picture as uh, it'll capture image or video or objects, whatever is there. So sensing device for human is through eyes, and sensing device for robot is camera. Okay, and interpreting device is brain, and by interpreting that we will discover what objects or video or what we capture, everything will be interpreted. Okay, so here interpreting device for a robot is a computer. Okay, uh, next, so what is a vision system? So vision system for robots, which involves capturing and understanding information from images or videos of the 3D world. It's like giving the robot the ability to see and make sense of its surroundings. So this is a powerful way for robots to gather a wide range of information. In robotics, this visual input is crucial. The robot uses the information it gets from interpreting images or videos to control its actions. It's like having a computer brain that processes and uses what it sees to make decisions and perform tasks accurately. Okay. So next is the process of imaging. So imaging is the process of creating a visual representation or picture of an object, scene or any subject. This can be done through various methods such as photography, radiography or using electronic sensors like cameras. So the goal is to capture the visual information and convert into a visual format that can be stored, displayed or analyzed. It's essentially how we create images to see, share or study things in the world around us. Here you could see an object is being captured by the camera. For that corresponding light source is utilized. Okay, and this is converted to analog image data, and analog data is converted into digital. So we have ADC converter over here. Okay, this is a process of imaging. Next, so some applications of a vision controlled robotic system. So it has many uses. It can tell if an object is there or not. Okay, figure out where it is. Okay, that is presence or absence of an object, and how it's positioned, and even grab it. It's like giving the robot eyes to see and understand what's around it. These systems are handy for tasks like checking things, guiding the robot's movements, avoiding obstacles, putting things together, and making sure everything is in a good quality. Okay, they can also sort objects, identify them, and handle parts in various applications. Okay, next. Okay, you might have heard of these terms as image processing, image analysis, computer vision, and machine vision. We'll try to differentiate these terms one by one. So first, what is image processing? It's like using special tools to enhance or manipulate pictures, making them better for various tasks. Okay. Next, image analysis. So this is about carefully studying images to extract useful information or spot patterns and details. Next is computer vision. So think of it as having giving computers the ability to see and make sense of the visual world, much like we do with our eyes. That is computer vision. And machine vision, this is all about teaching machines like robots to use their eyes, that is here in case of robots it's cameras, to understand and interact with their surroundings effectively. Okay. So next about the architecture of robotic vision system. So we know that what is a robot vision is to extract, characterize and interpret objects present in an image or a photograph captured using a camera. Okay. So first step is to capture image of the environment using CCD camera. Okay. Then second step is, so light intensity is measured along a particular direction. Okay, by using electron beam scanner. An analog plot of light intensity is digitized, and it is known as the analog to digital conversion or digitizing. Previously we have seen a process of imaging, right? And then third step is image is stored as an array of pixels. Okay, each pixel may have a different light intensity values. So this is known as the frame grabber. Okay. Then finally, pre-processing of the data collected in this previous step is done for noise reduction, restoration of lost information. So all those things is done in the pre-processing step. Okay. Then finally, after this, it is given to the controller. Here it is a computer, that is interpreter devices. After that, for performing the actions, it is given to the robot controller and actuators for performing the actions in the environment. Okay, so this is the basic architecture of the robotic vision system. And next, functions of a machine vision system. So we have seen what is a machine vision just now. So machine vision is concerned with sensing of vision data and its interpretation by a computer. Okay, the typical vision system consists of a camera and a digitizing hardware. So digital computer and hardware and software necessary to interface them. Okay, this interface hardware and software is referred to as a preprocessor. So operation of the vision system has three functions. Okay, one is we can see here three functions as sensing and digitizing image data. Second one is image processing and analysis. And the third one are applications. Okay. So first we'll see gist of this. So first, image sensing. Image sensing requires some types of image formation device, such as you require camera, digitizer, which stores a video frame in the computer memory. Okay. We divide the sensing and digitizing functions into several steps as capturing the image of the scene and then digitizing it. Okay. And here it requires for signal conversion, sampling, quantization, encoding are used, and then image storage, as I said, you will be using frame grabber for storage of image and pixels. Then several light sources and lighting techniques are used based on the applications. Okay, here you have different lighting techniques as structured light, front or back lighting, beam splitter, restore reflectors, okay, specular illumination, okay, and other you have other techniques are available. Okay, based on the application, we have to choose proper light source and lighting techniques. So next is image processing and analysis. So what is image processing? You have three major types, that is pre-treatment. Okay, first in image processing, first is pre-treatment is have to remove noise. Okay, noise removal, contrast enhancing, and segmentation. Segmentation is we have to threshold or region gradient or classification based. Okay, and then third is the feature extraction. So feature extraction is depends on the size, the shape, the color. Okay, size means length, width, area, and perimeter, so on. Shape size dependent or size independent. So color based on the mean and variance. Okay, a combination of them. This is feature extraction. Okay. So in image data reduction, we'll see in detail about this image processing and analysis. So first, image data reduction. So it has first digital conversion and windowing technique. Okay, data reduction, windowing and digital conversion. Next, segmentation. We have seen thresholding, region, edge detection. So feature extraction and object recognition. Okay. So first, data reduction. The objective is to reduce the volume of data. Okay, as a preliminary step in the data analysis, two schemes, that is digital conversion and windowing schemes, which has found common usage for data reduction. Okay. The function of both schemes is to eliminate the bottleneck that can occur from the large volume of data in the image processing. Okay. So digital conversion, it reduces the number of gray levels used by the machine vision system. Okay. Next, windowing. So this involves using only a portion of the total image stored in the frame buffer for image processing and analysis. So this portion is called the window. For example, for inspection of printed circuit boards, one may wish to inspect and analyze only one component on the board. Okay, so a rectangular window is selected to surround the component of interest, and only pixels within that window are analyzed. Okay, and this process is windowing. And next going for the segmentation. So segmentation, as we have seen already, three techniques: thresholding, region growing, and edge detection. Okay. So in its simplest form, thresholding is a binary conversion technique in which each pixel is converted into a binary value. That is either it's a black or white. Okay. So this is actually accomplished by utilizing a frequency histogram of the image and establishing what intensity is to be the border between the black and white. So that is thresholding. Next technique is region growing. Okay, so this is a collection of segmentation techniques in which pixels are grouped in regions called grid elements based on attribute similarities. Okay, so defined regions can then be examined as to whether they are independent or can be merged to merged to other regions. So by means of an analysis of the difference in their average properties and spatial connectiveness. Okay, so this is region growing. And third technique is edge detection. So this considers the intensity change that occurs in the pixels at the boundary or edges of a part. Okay, given that a region of similar attributes has been found, but the boundary shape is unknown. The boundary can be determined by a simple edge following procedure. Okay, so that is for the binary image. Procedure is to scan the image until a pixel within the region is encountered. Okay, so this is about the edge detection. Next, object recognition is by template matching techniques, and other algorithms are structural techniques. Okay, and then finally about applications. So the three levels of difficulty used to categorize the machine vision applications in an industrial setting are: the object can be controlled in both position and appearance. Either position or appearance of the object can be controlled, but not both. Okay. Neither position nor appearance of the object can be controlled. Okay. So robotic applications of machine vision fall into three broad categories, that is inspection, identification, visual surveying, and navigation. Okay. So that is all about the vision system for robots, and this is about the functions of a machine vision system. Just a gist of the machine vision system. Okay, it's a broader area. Okay, that is all about it. Thank you.